Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create group in Outlook to send emails. Open your Outlook app. There, you will click on Groups. Then at the top, click on New Group. Here, give the group a name and, if you wish, a brief description of it. When you do, click on Create. Now, from adding members, you can choose the users to add based on the contacts you have saved in your account. Select each user and then click on Add. You will see your created group. Click on it. In this window, you can see the sending emails, as well as the active members, files, events, and more. Thus, you will create your group to send emails in Outlook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.